Alright, here's the secret single track. Can't tell anybody where this is. Needs to be ridden more. Over that log. Nice. It is extremely hard to follow right now because we're trying to get it ridden. Miss turns every now and then because it's so hard to follow unless you're out here with the guy who built it. Then it's okay. That's how we gotta ride it more. I'm just trying to do my part. And it's pretty cool because it basically follows an escarpment and you just go up and down, up and down, up and down, which definitely adds a level of complexity to it. I was pleasantly surprised when I was shown this set of trails. Mostly because it's a good place to train now for places like Calabogie. It's pretty short so far. That's okay. Little ledge. And unlike Calabogie, this is reachable on a work day after work. Which is pretty cool. Whew. Yes, sir. It's a bit of a drop there. Lots of elevation changes for a place that's as flat as where I live. It goes up and down and up and down and up and down, you know. And I got my new tires on, but I got too much air in them. Definitely too much air in them. I can feel it. More elevation. Up, down, up, down. On the old 390. Holy cow. Yeah. Off camber. Right hand turn. While trying to use the rear brake. Holy cow. Holy. Let's try that again. There we go. Oh my gosh, I am sweating. Holy cow. All right. Have a damn heart attack. Listen guys, I just finished with all those crashes going up that hill and I am exhausted, so I don't know how much more footage I'm going to take as far as like, it's everything is just soaking freaking wet, man, from the thunderstorm yesterday, and it is wreaking havoc on grip. Holy cow. Like I'm exhausted. I flipped my bike right upside down, man. It was on its handlebars. Wheels sticking up. Poor rear fender. Good thing I didn't replace that with anything too expensive. And I've never ridden the trail this way ever. Well, I've only ridden it the other way twice now, so I just trying to pick lines. It's not working. Woo. Fun though. My gosh. Again. I'll tell you what though. I didn't fall this much in Calabogie, and this is in my backyard. Oh my goodness, there goes a tree. You guys notice how much I talk in the beginning? Oh my gosh, not so much anymore. Definitely not blaming the tires. I could let probably 2, 3, maybe even 4 psi out of these things easy. But you know what? There will always be another chance. Oh, my gosh. Just a Monday. Nowhere. That was pretty good. A couple of ledges coming back this way. They don't feel like too much when you're going down them. Different animal when you're going up them. It is. This is gnarly, man. This way. How about the other way? It's good. There's so many like little rocks under the surface and roots and tight, like almost standstill turns around every friggin' tree. Holy cow.